Hello Taurus, welcome to my channel. This is your weekly career, business and money reading from 30th November to 6th December. Now being a general reading, not all messages might resonate, so keep whatever resonates. Now this reading is about what opportunities could present Taurus in this week in your career, business or money situation. Also what challenges or obstacles you could face, if any, so that you can handle it well. Now, Taurus, this is based on your sun sign and moon sign, so you could check the other videos as well. So let's start. Taurus's general energy, spirits and guides, angels and guides, universe and guides. Please help career in terms of the career, business and money situation. Taurus's general energy in terms of career, business or money situation, spirits and guides, angels and guides, please guide. Taurus's general energy, spirits and guides, angels and guides, please guide. So this card had popped out, so it's about lovers card, so definitely partnership, deals. Let's see what else. The justice, okay. The six of swords, the king of pentacles, this is you Taurus, with the queen of wands, with this page of cups and seven of pentacles. So Taurus, here I see there is, some partnership, some new association forming in, with this lovers card. Yeah, so it could be a new association, a partnership coming through for some of you here, Taurus, in your job or business situation here. Or you could be getting a project, from a company, getting a new project, that's what. So it's about new associations, new beginnings. That's what for some of you here. With the justice card is like, be accountable for your action. That's the first intuitive messages I'm getting through here. Be good to people and people will reciprocate, with the people you work with your subordinates, and you will be needing to deal with lot of legal papers. It could be right from small signature on a legal document to to appearing in courts, or meeting up an attorney or signing lot of legal documents. So it talks about, with this justice card also, some of you, if you are dealing with a legal case against yours and the verdict is coming, so that will be in your favor if it's coming in December, Taurus, with this justice card I get here. In your personal life too, if you are going through any dispute or battle with family or divorce, it is in your favor, it's coming in your favor. Six of swords, so this is like moving away, travel. So you will need to leave your comfort zone for progress. That's what I get with this king of pentacles. This is your card. So leaving your comfort zone, to make substantial progress in your life. That's coming with this card here. Maybe you are too comfortable in what you are doing. Taurus being fixed signs, doesn't like changes. All the fixed signs do not like changes, leaving their comfort zone. So here it's like, for substantial progress, for the goals that you have set in, because Taurus also loves luxuries. Taurus likes the luxurious life, like everybody desires it, but Venus energy, Libra and Taurus, it's about, so for that substantial gains you have to work. It's not only about traveling physical, it could be a way in the thinking, that ideas that you do not feel very comfortable with, you need to start leaving your comfort zone, whether in its thought or in a physical world, to make that substantial progress. King of Wands, so you're very passionate, you're very driven, you are very ambitious, nurturing, caring. You will be very caring even in tight situations. You will sail through, because you have known to control your anger. Now Taurians, anger is like a big thing. Taurians have, not everyone, but few of what I get to know from the sun signs, so some of you really have, and some of you may have anger issues, but you know how to control it because you're self-confidence now, you're patient, and you're kind. That's what you understand that now, and you will be very kind and compassionate. and deal with tight situations, whether in the family, or in office. You will deal it with calm and ease. That's what I get here. Page of Cups. So there is an opportunity there. There will be a creative opportunity. Or maybe you will be thinking of lot of creative ideas, like you will be bursting with lot of creative ideas, with the 7 of Pentacle. But you will be wondering, like, to and forth, back and forth, whether you should go or not. Either you are on. So it's like back and forth with new ideas, new thoughts, creative thoughts. But you need to identify which one is gonna work to you. Just working on a lot of ideas won't bring success. So you need to first identify the workable ones, and then plan your action, Taurus. That's what I get here. First, make out the things, getting the knowledge, and getting knowledge, or being guided by someone who is already in that field. And then choose out the workable ones, and then put an action plan to this, or you will be doing this. This is what I get with these cards here, Taurus. Yeah, so of course some of you are having some deals coming to you here with the Page of Cups. It also could be a monetary gain, for some of you here. You have the King of Pentacle and the 7 of Pentacles. So wherever money you have invested in, Taurus, that will money is gonna grow. Some of you, 7 of Pentacle definitely is it's not like getting immediately the money, but yes, it's coming. It will come in the next week, or a little later. It doesn't come, so it's like waiting for the fruits. So although you will know that there is money, but you will not get it this week. But with the King of Pentacle, you could get money from stock market, shares, brokerages, rentals, leases, buying, selling of immovable properties, or from fixed deposit banks. Wherever you have put in, you will see your money grow. You will make more investments also. Also money coming for some of you from legal settlements with this court case and all. If you have any property or inheritance or alimony, so you will get that money. So this is it for this week. Let me just pull out an angel guidance, Taurus, and see what the angel messages are there. Angel messages for Taurus. Illusion. So embrace the truth. So this is one card. That's what I said here. Do not get confused with lot of ideas. So this is what I get here. So embrace the truth. This is so this is it. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much, and stay blessed.